Good. Now, is there as it create Munina e-levy Munyan passe parliament is so much at all, and I'm Obia any business. At the end,
Akoma FM.
is that Moja Cree and remember 1 minute, Mama Yentia, we and the scene at the course or our parliament for into understanding discussion. No, you are other important issues. I can, but Yentia, Mrasibu Jamendra.
On the 48, the presence of at least 1/3 of all members of parliament besides the person presiding shall be necessary to constitute the quorum for the House. We do not have a quorum. Yes. And therefore, it will be illegal if you continue conducting business in this House with this number.
Members, I think order. I think there's room more to be said. I asked the numbers to be counted. The result has been brought to me. The total number of members at the time the count was done was 41. I'm still looking around. I don't see any more members have joined the House. Accordingly, I join the House to tomorrow.
Right. Mamenko Dr. Emmanuel Marfo. Doctor.
Yeah.
I didn't see all the 200 and saying
Akoma FM.
74, right?
75.
275.
75, yeah.
Any part 42 penna a coin. Are they?
Well, me have church for. I don't think so. A very strange. The numbers are about parliament, it's because apart from individual, there's an expo going on in Dubai. I know said there are some committee who are in Dubai, and then there are others who have some assignments, but especially for the side of MPPDA, it's understood because party also internal party elections, and do this period now MPs also keep an eye on the process, and then it also involved because you're saying the nature of our parliament, a partisan. A partisan representation, and party Jumano is also part of MP no so ne Juma oye. And a good season be or what said there a bedu season be no be a NDC for so your branch elections you will find that many many MPs may not be able to come, no. But I think it is also the e-levy effect, because I say a lot of government business would depend on the settlement of the appropriation and the projected revenue in Yemano for government to have confidence to bring even be our programs, be our so I may require some budgets and some commitments of a sort, because we have not been able to settle on the e-levy. I say I'm a whole business, and cost said a cost, and it affects the psyche of MP. When we go and then the business is not hot. Say a member MP Sajuma and yet going to the chamber and Kwan MP Sajuma. MPs, because they are representatives, some of them are running to urban roads. Yemubino, we went to round to chase for Yejuma Biakikam in our constituencies and all that. A part of the work of the MPs. I mean, the lobbying or the representation role. Uba Memewa, so. Society ensure you better to I need to follow up on bridge beer. Me a lobby man ka urban roads for so baby Obia or some level of constituency worker. Ebia say business na very hot, and government business on the agenda na year on also so we manage our time here and there. Indeed, there's every parliament be no at any point in time, you don't get full house unless say that is why we have a whip system. The purpose of the whip system is to ensure when there is a business, there are some of the business usual everyday thing like statements. Can be about the constituency and about Russia Ukraine war and issues of public interest. I don't know, those are usual business and our constituency level questions. Be a framing minister, binia baby sano, and then the hakwan, and then hospital where yes, MBA, that kind of thing. And no, and time yet your friends a very hot business. But when it comes to business like be a law making, and now say BB it's a budget issues, and now say a far there are items that are hot politically. A basano they are. Then you use every party will use its whip system to bring people. The fact is we are in your quorum, no say one, the agenda for the meeting or for that particular sitting was not a very high profile as far as the government business is concerned. Because if it was, then the whips would have activated the whipping system to make sure that urban rules follow constituency, then you will be whipped to suspend that and come to parliament. It is a one-tip parliament. The way parliament works now, it may sound very strange to you, but technically speaking, and yet too strange. And Obia so constituency. People are running around ministries, agencies, looking for things, because at the end of the day, who MP, you see, that is what the public must also appreciate. Say, the UPE development, it doesn't come automatic. Say, into pressure now, and for the MPs from constituency, and also influence the attendance, because while constituency to make a choice, say, now the parliament, young for no more attendance or parliament, very good. Maybe are no motiho, omuko primaries, omuko anase elections in the year 2, because they were not supposedly, they were not getting time for the constituency.
Okay.
So it's a human akoye fieni and crime combined, and you need to manage your time. It is a government business near hot war chamber. Then you have to shift your attention on other roles, other functions that you have to play as an MP.
What making a very, very profound statement, our Hasem, because of a e-levy approval in your mind business in the house and Shada in your hot. That's it. Saying that means that without e-levy, Parliament ain't me Jumana.
No, Parliament is working. Parliament is working. What I am saying is, Dana Yebe to e-levy ban. You saw that the whole house was full.
Yeah.
Okay, I say.
Yeah.
And only the driving issue. And now maybe men can say in terms of government business, and only item on the government business, what that rallying effect. Okay, I say. You can't say Chinankwano. All the triple line, the triple line whips, activated. That is what I mean. I'm not saying anywhere government. Parliament is still sitting from time starting from January. Parliament is still, we are still doing government business.
Okay.
But business, it be and penny forcing be. It be here more public attention, it be here more parliamentary attention than others. So that they make an obiti swale, and I say obiti elembele. Na the bridge be able now obiso bisa minister of roads and once more. Me and me Oforikrom no. That business it's too keen to me. But a parliamentary business, all right. But it's so relevant to me. But if we were going to talk about Kumasi roads contract, and a key to me, it is I will make sure that I'm there to be part of the debate. It is an parliamentary humanity. Some of the businesses are constituency specific, it be a regional specific, a region specific, and a sector specific. Say be on environment. I, as a chairman of the environment committee, I would want to be there. Even if the minister for environment is going to answer questions, by virtue of my oversight over the sector, other people, I would want to be there. It is me call baby coach CBB a major and Marco house. It's an parliamentary humanity. But your issues be all there of national nature. It's a levy because it affects every MP. It affects every Ghanaian, every citizen. It they do honor. Not every MP also will have to be there. And then the issues be a banner house na issues be by parliament be over the world. The attendance of the plenary is based on the agenda of the day. The agenda of national character. I affect every citizen. You see all members of parliament, or at least you have a decent quorum to transact that business. So and yet very national in nature. Who say the attendance will be low because only those who are affected would want to participate.
For Sabia Fen will join here near higher Akoma 87.9 FM. We need the Adrianaba Kofi Asantini, and of course, on a private me, I join the discussion on our Facebook page, Akoma 87.9 FM. We share video, I like a page now. Why a part of the discussion? Dr. Emmanuel Marfo, a member of Parliament, Edema Oforikrom, of course, on a chairman, Edema Parliamentary Committee of Environment, Science and Technology. And I know aiding combo the government businesses appears to be slowing more. Is it not because of say as is here living my intino mokokra moran swate aban ehun ye woye because your minority MPs are accusing mo say mo ankasa mo MPs ne kra no MPP MP don kase no mo madwem ho.
Oh, and the reasons are, and I make us a one. Put it in context. Party, the majority party, an important event, and our process are also naturally, MPs be attention, or constituency, because it is something that affects the party and affects almost the future. Political, prospects. Apart from that, every parliament, the sitting government will always have a shortage of attendance because most of them, some of the members of parliament, and I say most ministers and deputy ministers are from the ruling party. And be a minister, ni deputy minister, be a every day. Or Bettina Parliament, so then it means it's government, the executive business, and so ebe sofa. In Chichananka NDC in our power, and because the new opposition there, or no nearby, on your minister, on your deputy minister, into Ojare Yano, the business and so parliament. But take somebody like Yebia, emphasis HMS Abonsu. Who is a member of parliament and the minister for parliamentary affairs. So, the business, apart from parliament, Jumano, or so ministry, Juma, will be a deputy minister for Mampong, deputy foreign minister. You can't expect to say, ode biano obetumi abetena parliament every day when there is a global and I say we are BBC Ghana for Ukraine near they need to sort and make sure that they are safe and they are brought back home and all that. In the US, naturally, such an MP may not be able to attend the business of the house every day within the week. Enti obia party bia wo aban to me attend parliament, and it is not only Ghana, a global. It's because people need to understand the way the parliamentary governance system works. Party now wo aban who members to me parliament kese.
Okay.
Anything at parliament, you want the whip system. And this is the Zoka, you are to Obama or MP. Why should you be whipped to go to work?
I see.
It's because Wajumano and yet Ukotana chamber. Sometimes people may even be in parliament, but they cannot come to the chamber. There are several occasions that people have brought petition to me. May be a Macaulay committee meeting to look at the petition and all that. Into parliament may be in session, but at the same time you may be in a committee room taking care of that business. Into Obisha chamber or now on Tewa or before say one quadruma. Meanwhile, will share a meeting, I will chair a meeting be and I will attend it to another parliamentary business. Into parliament is not only the chamber. I don't know, we call it plenary, but other committees Jumano Kradoso saying chamber.
Okay. May I acknowledge the fact and so say I think the MPP most of more polling station election and so a day be every but for group some to the area will be answered anti de be our and yes sir.
Yeah, Oforikrom yeah polling station.
That's great. Why are there?
Nina no chatted in on the Nina no yana me feel say if he sometimes the idea say we implement them ye person in the film. So ye mafia we ye kofa we mremuni ade but uba Oforikrom one me as an MP no me who be processing. And sometimes so we do who position the bria. Now, as an interest, who protect one interest. It made me decide, say, men family home, into the whole period, Nina, almost year near Manino, Nina, no parliament, Nancy Hawk. And two, I also persuaded them, say, I bet you me, I almost retain you be a any panel support to me, so be a woman that an idiot. Say, on yare. Na on two quite na sabi onwu ya me feel say na say juma no or ye na juma a year for the purposes of so yebenya stability and peace no ye try say omu nyina no ye bebo omu to retain and no interest say enye democracy. It's also selection is also part of democracy because party juma no ukomantemu bi obi anim say papa we ono na ye to ababia obehihye nkonya ye to ababia oboa no bi kro no aduane ma ye ana obeye agent na se du ona also obi amana ye I represent polling station no there's no reason why I want to mean selected until because ono anu na dwumadi ato ne so abadada so sometimes you need to combine your friend is pragmatism and the law.
Okay.
And I do tell this way. He has said, OMP no better. I say, "Ubi to Crawford," and I say, we implement MTM permanent film near there. And then yeah, for sometimes coffee for confusion.
Okay. And none of pay my the Gumba line Pesuaswa. A very disturbing video, but we are member of parliament. We sound so yeah. Chairman for Committee Environment, Science and Technology in T. Me the video each na any demo what to one more because very dangerous for constituency no health. The Gomba line would they ba yeah Anyam Kwanta down ho Anyam clinic.
Anyam
yes,
clinic, yeah.
Will be public toilet be or why you say nipa na bie toilet na dagatem and for years ni there be a toilet no enam gatanim and anopay ɛwɔ hɔ a very disturbing me on Facebook page see a wɔn a ɛhwɛ no wɔbɛka sɛ ehu dangerous for our health nti me twe wɔn adwene gyina so na the
immediately me no kasa we ya mefrɛ municipal chief executive na wama the environment unit for no akɔ hɔ no makɔ hwɛ na I'll find out.
Yeah, me remember production team so for the video na ma wano pay.
That's fine.
Inti bomadi ende 2 na mo my. Why?
That's fine. Yeah.
Ma wano pay ma me fa unsi doctor.
Yo.
I am more than grateful. Thank you very much.
Yo.
Dr. Emmanuel Marfo na mo tene nka no. Obolo ma